Mihlali back with another hair video. In today's video, I will be doing a boho river lock crochet install. So, if you're interested in seeing how I accomplish that, please keep watching. So, what you'll need to accomplish this look is obviously your fiber. I'm going to use this boho river lock by this IG handle. Ooh. That IG handle, it's an IG swirl, which gifted me this hair. So I'm using the boho river lock. I also put in with my spring twist fiber. I got this from my local beauty store. To like cover the roots so that it doesn't look knotted or bulky. And then you also need a crochet hook because we're going to be crocheting the hair in. And you need a comb. I'm not going to be using a comb really because I'm having done this step, but you need a comb to like part your hair, and a gel preferably if you want to slick down your hair. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so the first phase of this install I've already done off camera. I literally did it throughout the weekend. I washed my hair and then decided to part it while it was wet. I mean, I feel like it's easier that way. And also, this part is just tedious, so I know once I get this section out of the way, I mean, I'm prone to start installing the locs, which I'm doing now. But anyways, it's really easy. Literally part your hair like you're going to do braids or whatever, however much parts you want. I'd want to say small parts, but others might think these are medium parts, but whatever. I did fairly small parts so that my hair looks full, but not too full. You know what I'm trying to say. So once you got your parts in, you can obviously start crocheting the hair in. I'm going to crochet the hair off camera just because I'm doing my back, and I'll come back and show you guys how I do it here in front. So let me get to it. Just to show you guys the locs, like off the package, out the package. I mean, it's cute. It's giving like some goddess bohemian vibes. And this is color, I don't know. They did not specify, but I'm assuming it's color 1B27 because when I was looking for wrapping hair that's gonna match this hair. I assumed this was 130, color 1 being black and 30 being that brown, yellow blonde looking like color, but it wasn't because that was too dark for this one. This one is a tad lighter than color 30. So I got color 1B 27. So I guess that mixture of color 1 and B and 27 gives this vibe. And it looks, wait, I'm gonna use this. And this is how the spring twist, the texture of the spring twist is. And let's get into this install, baby. So I grabbed my lock and my crochet hook, and I am going to crochet this lock just further down the shaft of my twisted out part so that I give this look or hairstyle a knotless appeal, and the locks aren't like bulky on my roots. Also to reduce tension, you know. Once I got the lock through my little twist out part, I am then going to take my actual hair and then put it through the hoop or loop of the lock to secure it so that it doesn't slide out or embarrass me. Now I'm going to grab my spring twist fiber and I'm going to run my fingers through it so that I fluff it out and remove any defined curls, so that, you know, when I wrap it around my hair it doesn't sting. Anyway, so I crochet the spring twist fiber from my root so that, you know, it's all snatched or whatever. Anyways, yeah, I also cut the spring twist fiber in half because I don't want the strand to be long. I just want to wrap the spring twist fiber around where my hair is so that, you know, after my hair ends I don't have extra fiber to keep rolling down the shaft of the lock, because I just want the actual lock to do its own thing and not have, you know, extra fiber around it, whatever. Okay, I'm rambling. Anyways, this is another angle where I could like show you how I'm wrapping this. I hope you guys see and it makes sense. And that is it. You literally crochet the lock, wrap it with spring twist fiber, and voila. Anyway, so now I'm just going to attach these locks to the rest of my parts, and after crochet the spring twist fiber and wrap it around and then call it a night. And this is the final result. So I'm finally done. Well, I was done yesterday. This is a day later. I've hot watered the hair. Well, not really hot watered. I just took a towel and dipped it in hot water and then just pet like my head area, scalp area, to like ease the pain. I mean, dilukwala, so me and pain aren't best friends, but this is really not painful. I mean, it was like I could feel tension on my head because the sun but it was not painful because it's the next day and I'm feeling pain. I can style the hair, I can like
you see it's not that painful or whatever. But yeah, this is the final look. I couldn't really show you yesterday because I literally finished in the AMs and the quality, the camera was not giving, so I was just like, no, let me just show you how I installed the last few and then just come here in daylight and show you guys what's up. I had 3 packets of the boho river lock, but I literally used 3 packets. There's like literally half of the, okay, yeah, 2.5 maybe, because I think there's like 20 or 20 something locks per bundle or per package or whatever, and I have like 12 strands left, so that's like almost half. I think it's like 23, 24 locks per packet. I'm not sure, I can't remember, but yeah, I remember counting at least like 60 something locks. So there's about 60 locks in my hair, and I used 2.5 packets. I don't know the color. I got the hair from Cure Premium Hair, Curia, Dun. I don't know. I showed you guys the little pamphlet thingy magic, so I don't think I still have it. Okay, well, I can't find it, but I'll put it up on the screen somewhere. But yeah, I got it from that IG handle on Instagram. They are hair store or online hair Duns, and yes, this is looking cute or whatever. I mean, it's still winter. I wanted to do this for summer because of the color, but locks are cute in winter too, so oh, one thing I could say about the hair, it's hella lightweight. I mean, it looks a lot at first. Like last night when I finished the hair, I was like, dang, I think maybe I remember in the beginning of the video, this video, I was like, I didn't want to do too much parts. Like, I didn't want to do too much parts anyways on the way I parted my hair, because I called my parts small parts, but I'd say small medium because they're not really tiny, because I didn't want my hair to be filled with locks. But after I was done the hair, I was like thinking maybe I did do small parts because this looks a tad too congested on my hair. But after I like literally put the hot water, flattened like the top of my hair, slipped on the hair, it doesn't look that big, or does it? But whatever we do, the hair is hella lightweight. I mean, I really don't, okay, maybe just because I have something on my head, it doesn't feel like I have something on my head, but it doesn't feel like I have something on my head. And I didn't want to get hella irritated of like just like things that pull at my hair. This is dope. Anyways, let me stop talking. Thank you so much for making it to this part of this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you guys next time.